I don't get to see these that often because they usually come out after dark. I know I got dirty windows from squirrels climbing up my windows. He's a night heron. I forgot which kind specifically. Oh, he's going for something. Like maybe a lizard or something. I don't know why I'm whispering. He can't hear me. Dang. Don't mess with him. Boy, is he staring. Whatever it was got away. He's waiting. Oh. What is it? And that's a baby mockingbird. He's fledged. And he has been up in the tree. It's not really a tree. It's a very tall shrub that's been cut like a tree. Well, he is just not moving. Okay. He was moving around a bit. His mom and dad are probably calling for him. They were just here. They flew off. He still shrieks to have his family feed him. But I see he has a formed beak now, not the big yellow mouth. So, I don't know where he goes at night. It's getting later. I don't know what time it is. It's probably going on 8 o'clock. Okay, that is a baby mockingbird warning his parent to feed him. His parent was there. When I walked up to the window, it flew off. He's staying there and fussing. I don't know if you can hear him. He hasn't quite figured out how his parent is able to get food from there and feed him. I'm hoping his parent will come back shortly. Oh, I think he figured it out. See, his parent was doing that in front of him and then bringing it to him. There goes one. I think his parent just flew by. Oh, he's getting it. He's getting it. It's a little awkward, but he's getting it. He's got a few blue jays around here right now. They might run him off. Uh-oh. There's a blue jay there. He's not sure. Come on, Mr. Blue Jay. It's just a baby. I suspect the parent might come back if he sees this going on. Oh, Blue Jay jumped down. Little guy held his own. Maybe he didn't know to be afraid. So Mama Muscovy has 5 babies. I'm waiting for, there you go. Oh, no. She's really all around them. They're hard to film because there's mallards here, there's squirrels. We also have blue jays and northern mockingbirds with babies. So tensions are running high. Oh, he just walked right underneath his mama's tail. One of the little yellow ones. So there's 2 yellows, 2 yellow and brown, and one kind of brown and white. Oh, there comes the brown and white one. Well, I guess he's really yellow too. He's just got more white. There they are, all 5. So we have 5 baby Muscovy, so far at least. We also have some baby northern mockingbirds and some baby blue jays in the yard. They were here earlier. Yeah, Mama's got her eye on the squirrels. It's a love-hate relationship. She doesn't want the squirrels near her babies, but the squirrels are knocking food down from there for her. So we'll get her get on to other. There's mallards over there. She doesn't want them near her babies. Oh! Squirrel jumped down. Mama says not having it. The babies come right to her. Mama, mama.